Hey guys, my name is Brianna and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This hair is from the Amazon store Hail Fan. This is the bag it comes in, and then when you open the bag, you have the hair. This is their 613 lace front wig, 150% density. It looks like this. It's straight and it's about $170. It is 18 inches. Not really shedding right now as I run my fingers through it, and this is what the lace looks like. And it has three clips or combs towards the front and a comb in the back with adjustable straps. I just put the wig on with the lace still attached just to see what it would look like, and you can part it anywhere you'd like to. Oops, you can't really see that. There's a part, kind of, and it has some baby hairs. Just going to cut the lace now. So I just cut the lace like that. I'm going to glue it down. I'm just going to use this Got to Be Glued Ultra Glued. Okay, so that part is done. Yep, nice and on my scalp, I guess. Anyway, now I should do a part. What part will I do? Middle or side? I think I'm feeling middle. Or am I feeling the side? Anyway, I'm going to flat iron my hair first and then do the edges and tie it down again. So I just flat ironed the hair. I didn't do the edges yet or anything, but I didn't thoroughly flat iron it. I just went over it since it was already pretty straight. Now I'm going to do the baby hairs and the part. So for the part, I'm just going to use this Fit Me Maybelline foundation. The color is Mocha Mocha. I'm not really going to pluck the part. And I'm just going to go in with this Edge Booster Style Factor. Now I'm just going to spray some of this Got To Be Glued lasting spray to keep these flyaway pieces tamed. And I'm just going to tie it down. So this is the final look. I think I dented it with my scarf a little bit. Still looks good. Now the ends, you know, they're okay. They definitely can be improved upon. See that they have a lot of flyaways or like pieces that stick out, but the hair is soft and I like the wig. Also fairly thin, doesn't look like too much. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know any other type of videos you want to see from me. And thanks for watching.